Today I am sharing a variety of projects that you can make with your laser for the Christmas season. Hey there, I'm Sarah. You're watching Creative Ramblings. In today's video, I am going to share a variety of projects that you can make for the Christmas season. These would make great gifts for friends or family, or you can make them and sell them in your shop. We're going to be using a variety of materials and lasers. So as we go through each project, I'm going to share with you which laser I used, the settings I used, what materials I'm working with, and then you can take that information and go and make your own. Ornaments make such a great gift. These are a design from Creative Fabrica, which I've got linked down in the description. It's a great place to pick up designs. This is a 4-layer ornament that I cut from basswood. What I like about this is most of these designs you could add some engraving and add a name, or you can paint them and gift them. These also are really cute to add to a gift bag as kind of a gift tag that then the recipient can go use as an ornament. There are limitless designs and ways that you can customize these as gifts for your friends and family. I have really enjoyed making these gift card holders for family, and I love that they can then go reuse them and gift a gift card to the next person. I picked up this file last year on Creative Fabrica. It comes in a couple different styles, but they are all 3 layers cut from wood. You just glue them together. I like to use wood glue, and you can engrave the front like I did on this one. Or if you have a laser like the X-Tool M1, you could cut out some vinyl and add that to the front. Or if you have a Cricut machine that cuts out vinyl, you could add that to the front as well. But this is just a really cute way to gift a gift card to friends or family. This is a really cute teacher gift as well. And you can always customize that saying right on front. Cutting boards are such a great gift to customize. This is actually the first cutting board I ever customized, and I still use it. It is my own that I made for myself, but I have made these as housewarming gifts over the years. They can be engraved with any type of laser. This happens to be a diode, and you can customize the family name that you're putting on. Once you're done, you want to clean it up really well and then add some cutting board oil so that this can be used either as a display board or they can actually use it to cut on. These faux leather patches have an adhesive on the back. They are a brown color on the top, but they engrave to a gold underneath. So a lot of different color combinations you can get. These are from X-Tool's website, but these are so cute on Christmas stockings. They work on hats too, but custom stockings would make such a cute gift. There are all kinds of notebooks that you can engrave. This happens to have a craft paper, like a cardstock cover, which engraves really easily with a diode. You could also get faux leather notebooks, like kind of the hardcover journals. And I just put a generic message on this one, but you could add a person's name or a special quote and really make this a special gift for someone. You can engrave a photo onto so many different surfaces: wood, slate, metal, all kinds of things. These are all done with a diode laser, and I have a full video teaching you how to get high quality photos when you engrave. But this would be such a cute gift. This is my daughter. I would love to give this to her grandparents for Christmas. And I could even put a little message on the bottom, and it would make such a sentimental and cute gift. Next up, we have these flat metal bottle openers. These are made out of stainless steel and they slip right into your wallet. You can engrave stainless steel with a diode or an IR module. You're going to get different colors and varying degrees of darkness depending on which laser you use with stainless steel, but there is a ton of stuff you can put on these. You can personalize them and they make really cute stocking stuffers. Slate coasters are another item that you can customize with a name, a special logo, really anything you want. Using a laser like this is the F1 Ultra Fiber Laser, you can do some really deep engravings. These just come out gorgeous. You can also go over to your diode and use something like a 10-watt We Create Vista and get some really bright, fun designs on these coasters. Finally, we have these simple craft paper gift bags. These are so easy to customize with a diode laser. Just choose the craft paper settings. This would be really cool if you were giving gifts to a team or a group of employees. You could add a logo or a custom message onto all of these, and it just really elevates whatever gift you are giving this year. All right, so we just shared a bunch of projects that you can make for the Christmas season. You can do this with all different types of lasers and materials. If you want to learn more about a specific laser or a project tutorial, be sure to check out my videos linked down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with new videos helping you move forward in your creative journey. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.